Hello friends, today I am going to teach you next chapter, new chapter, their algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. So first of all, every student must know what is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression algebraic expression. The combination of variables and constant along with fundamental operations of math is called algebraic expression. Listen again. The combination of variables and constant along with fundamental operations of math is called algebraic expression. Now question arises, what are variables, what are constant and what are fundamental operations of math? Variables which are changeable. All the alphabets are called variables. X, Y, Z, P, Q, L, A, C, D. So these are variables. Constant which remains unchanged. 5. So 5 is 5. There will be no change in 5. 7, 8, 2, 9. So these are constants. And fundamental operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions. These are fundamental operations of maths. I hope you have understood. Once again I am repeating. Algebraic expression is a combination of variables and constant along with fundamental operations. So this is the definition of algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is a combination of variables and constant and constants along with fundamental operations of math. So for example, 4x plus 7y plus 8. This is algebraic expression. Here x and y are variables. 4 is coefficient of x and 7 is coefficient of y and 8 is constant term. So 4, 7, 8, these are constant. They will not change. And x and y are variables. We don't know what will the value of x and y. Have you understood? So, see this definition again. Algebraic expression is a combination of variables and constant along with fundamental operations of math. So, 4x is first variable and 4 is coefficient of x. Here is addition, it means plus fundamental operation I said. So 7y plus 8. So this is algebraic expression. Understood? So now types of algebraic expression. Types of algebraic expression. Types of algebraic expression. First is monomial. First is monomial. If an an algebraic expression has only one term is called monomial. Monomial means only one terms. Plus and minus makes terms. Division and multiplication will not make terms. Listen again. Addition and subtraction make terms, but division and multiplication will not make terms. Terms mean part. How many terms are there? If an algebraic expression has only one term, is called monomial. If an algebraic expression has only one term, is called monomial. Is called monomial. For example, 4x square. Only one term is there, so this is monomial. Second, binomial. An algebraic expression with two terms is called binomial. An algebraic expression with two terms is called binomial. For example, 4x square plus 7. There are two terms. First term is 4x square and second term is 7. So this is binomial. Is clear? Yes. Next is an algebraic expression with three terms is called trinomial. For example, 7x square plus 8x minus 9. There are three terms: 7x square, 8x minus 9. So this is trinomial. Understood? Next is bioquadratic nomial. Bioquadratic. You can say bioquadratic only, not nomial. Sorry. Bioquadratic. Bioquadratic means an algebraic expression with four terms is called bioquadratic. An algebraic expression with four terms is called bioquadratic. You can say polynomial also, bioquadratic polynomial, because this also polynomial, bioquadratic polynomial, this also polynomial, monomial also polynomial, trinomial also polynomial. So with 4 terms, so 5x cubed plus 7x square minus 2x plus 9. There are 4 terms, so this is called bioquadratic, you can say polynomial, because monomial also polynomial, binomial also polynomial, trinomial also polynomial. More than 4 terms, rest are polynomial. If any algebraic expression with power with degree 5, that is called polynomial. Have you understood? So these are the types of the polynomial. Now operations on polynomial. In first exercise, there is multiplication. How to multiply monomial with monomial, binomial with binomial, trinomial with trinomial. So rules of multiplication. First of all, this is very important. Every student must know how to multiply. So you have to learn, you have to apply, you have to memorize the rule of multiplication. So what are rules of multiplication? What are rules of multiplication? Very simple. So you have to memorize like this. Product of like signs. Product of like signs. It means same signs. Product of like signs is equal to positive. And product of unlike sign, it means negative. If same signs are multiplied, then result will be positive. For example, minus 4x multiply with minus 2x. Both are negative. Minus minus becomes plus. Minus 4 multiply with minus 8. So it will be, sorry, minus 4 multiply with minus 2. So it will be plus 8. Now, laws of exponent you know, x raised to the power m multiplied by x raised to the power n, bases are same. Here also x, here also x. Then powers will be added. X raised to the power m plus n. You know this rule. So here also I will apply, this is x, this also x. I am multiplying them. So separate you can multiply. First multiply minus 4 with minus 2, 8, then x with x. Or direct also you can multiply. So it will be x power 1 and 1 becomes 1 plus 1. So it will be 8x raised to the power 2 or 8x square. Understood? So these are the rules of multiplication. Now next, 2x plus y multiply by 3x minus 2y. So we have to multiply. So I will multiply here. See, 2x plus y, 3x multiply by minus 2y. So now coefficient of x is 2, here coefficient of x is 3. First 3 multiply with 2, both are positive, it means plus. So I told you result will be in plus. So 3 to the 6. 3 to the 6. Now x with x, x square. X with x, x square. 3x multiply with y. So these are unlike terms because this is x, this is y. So their product will be 3xy. 3xy. It's clear? Yes. Now minus 2y multiply with 2x. 2 multiply with minus 2, minus 4. X multiply with y, xy. So right here, minus 4xy. Minus 4xy. Plus minus, this is plus, this is minus. So minus 2y square. 2y square. So see, 6x square plus 3 minus 4 minus xy because plus 3 and minus 4 minus xy minus 2y square. So this is the result. So these are the rules of multiplication. For today only this. Tomorrow we will discuss about next exercise. You have to try yourself, and exercise 5.1 you have to do.